I've been doing this for about a year and a half now. And since then, I've had multiple systems. This today, the one that we apply, the one that I'm wearing today is a brand new one that I've never had before. It's a slightly different. And my reaction every time is like the first time I'm putting it on. Like, it's amazing. Right now, I know you can see my hair. I can't see it myself, but I feel nothing. I feel like my own hair. I do not feel the tape. I do not feel the system. It's such a light system. The hair is not heavy. That's a lot of hair. The first time around when I went there, my mom, I mean, she almost felt like I saw tears in her eyes, and the first thing she said, "Oh my God, you look so much younger." Not in a way that that you're not handsome otherwise, but it does make a huge difference. There's been some friends, I've gotten so many compliments from my friends, and they say, you carry it so well, it looks so natural on you. And that's all that, it gives you such a boost in your personality to have your own hair back. I think it's until you don't have your hair, you realize how big of an impact it has on a person. Some people are comfortable wearing and not having hair. Some people actually look good without it, hair. I was not one of the, I was not blessed to look good without hair or be okay without my hair. Hair's always been a very big part of my life. I've enjoyed my hair. I've had so much hair when I had it that I could style it whichever way, I would cut it whichever way, I dye it, and that's perhaps the reason I lost it so early. But this makes it possible for me to enjoy my youth again, and I couldn't see myself now ever walking out of the house without the system on. It's that easy and comfortable, and one of the reasons it makes it possible is because it's just so friendly, user friendly for me. Hardly any time involved, and in the beginning, yes, it takes some time, but once you get the hang of it, it's just like wearing a shirt.